you can more or less tell straight away if it's a leak from a pipe, because I always say that the pattern of dampness from a leaking pipe or a weeping pipe, it's like an angry, it's an angry dampness. It's
an angry dampness.
It's kind of wetter. So where pipe's leaking, it'll be really, really dark. If it's a plaster, you'd get like a dark reddy colour.
Okay.
And then you kind of get rings on it. So sometimes it'll have been wetter than others, but this moisture spreads out in a ring round it.
Okay.
And sometimes it might dry off, and then it might get wetter. So you tend to get rings round it with like a really dark colour where pipe's leaking. Whatever damp you've got, make sure you get it diagnosed correctly.
And how would you know you're going to get it diagnosed correctly, Sam? What's your advice on getting a contractor in?
I've never seen a property that's just got rising damp all the way through. Because like I've mentioned before with chimney breasts is normally sulfates or lateral damp. It's not just rising damp. I mean, there's a school of thought saying that you can maybe call any damp rising damp because it is spreading. But when I did my qualifications and guidelines from all building research and everything, there's different categories of damp. So this is what we learn.